What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best running shoes in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick things off with the HOKA One Rincon 3, the best comfort running shoes available on the market in 2022. In terms of size, this model is identical to its predecessor, with a 1.25-inch heel and front profile feet of 1.05 inches. The base reaches 4.5 inches in the frontal part and 3.75 inches in the heel, which is a rather wide shoe in the back part. This type of heel cut also has an interesting advantage. It makes an incredibly stable shoe. The material of the middle sole is light, not too thick, and quite pleasant to the touch. The main change we noticed with this model is in the geometry. The cuts on the side of the midsole are more detailed in this version and are focused on providing greater dynamics to the tread cycle and a less square feel. One of the advantages of the HOKA One Rincon 3 is the weight. Despite having a slightly thicker midsole, a more durable sole, and more comfortable upper sole, the Rincon 3 weighs less than its predecessor. Specifically, it weighs 220 grams, which is quite a success for training shoes. One of the big improvements, perhaps the most important one, is the greater protection in the sole. The Rincon series has always had some pieces of blown rubber at strategic points, but in this new version, the entire front of the foot is covered with rubber. This clearly increases the durability of the sole, so much so that it will not actually cause significant wear damage, and the middle sole will probably give in a little earlier. We think that this model has a top-notch upper part. The manufacturer opted for a more classic construction, with a double mesh and an outer layer full of gills to improve the air circulation, while in the inner layer we have a more closed textile that'll be pleasant and comfortable inside. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'll talk about is the New Balance FuelCell Elite V2. In our opinion, the best pair of speed running shoes on the market in 2022. The new midsole on this model, 5 millimeters thicker than the previous one, gives 9% more cushioning and 4% energy recovery. This, focused on performance, makes the New Balance FuelCell Elite V2 one of the most advanced running models out there. This Elite V2 has more details to highlight from the start. The use of a 3D ribbon logo on both sides to enhance the fit, greater curvature of the carbon fiber board, and a new sole design with greater thickness. The material used for the entire middle sole is FuelCell, a compound designed from the ground up to run faster at any distance. It's based on damping work, as well as energy recovery without the use of almost any additional weight. Another improvement on the RC Elite V2 is the addition of full-length carbon plates. The midsole thickness was increased by 5 millimeters, almost reaching the 40 millimeter limit. The thickness of this midsole is 35 millimeters in the heel area, while on the front part of the foot it's 27 millimeters. The addition of a new, much more robust and resistant rubber surface secured greater durability than the previous model. The type of material is solid rubber, 2.5 millimeters thick rubber. Its function is twofold: to help with traction and to do so while maintaining high endurance, but it also manages to contribute to stability from the very contact with the base. The upper part of the New Balance FuelCell RC Elite V2 is quite impressive for two main reasons: knitted nets and the exoskeleton that surrounds it. It must be said from the net is exceptionally open and light. Everything is drilled with holes that allow high ventilation. Thanks to that, this net made in one piece is very, very transparent, so much so that you can practically see your fingers through it. Being very breathable is useful because it allows you to keep your feet cool, especially during long workouts or races, and it also helps to reduce weight. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Up next, we say check out Brooks Adrenaline GTS 21, also known as the best support running shoes on the market in 2022. We must point out that the elegant aesthetic line of the Brooks model has surpassed most models out there. The latest update on this set of running shoes is designed for neutral runners, once again offering maximum cushioning, stability, and support to runners who choose any of the brand's models. The new model focuses on promoting more efficient transitions and smoother running, which is achieved by applying special technologies designed by Brooks Running. This model includes a heel structure that guarantees excellent grip and support that adapts to different morphologies. The use of additional and flexible grooves in this area provides great smoothness in the various phases of running and jumping. The model has a drop of 12 millimeters, which is a staple feature for this brand. Combined with the lightweight, it makes this model a perfect option for many miles of extensive use for competitions on medium and long distances. The use of new features in the upper part delivers a better and more comfortable grip. It also increases, quite significantly, breathability, especially in conditions with high temperatures, delivering a feeling of comfort every step of the way. On the other hand, the use of 3D footprint technology provides great flexibility. The basic aspect is that the shoe doesn't make those annoying scratches that can occur when we travel many kilometers. Among other things, this model includes the DNA Loft Foam, located in the area from the heel to the front foot. It offers excellent cushioning, significantly reducing shocks that occur step by step, presenting the user with a great feeling of softness during training or running. On the other hand, this model represents the integral support of guide rails, which allows you to enjoy extremely natural foot guidance in the race. This translates into superior stability and control of every movement. From the inside, we see Biomogo DNA, somewhat firmer and responsible for greater stability in the race. In terms of weight, these sneakers are best used by runners ranging from 130 to 180 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. The next product on our list of reviews for today is the Salomon Sense Ride 4, also known as the best pair of trail running shoes on the market in 2022. Among other things, this new model offers excellent grip on all types of surfaces, top-notch cushioning, and shock absorption so your joints don't suffer, all thanks to the OptiVibe system. The OptiVibe cushioning technology combines two foams. One secures excellent basic cushioning, while the other foam secures a large reactive capacity, so you can get the most out of each step. We must also mention the Contra Grip MA, a compound that guarantees you can enjoy the grip that is difficult to improve on all types of surfaces, such as slippery terrain, dry or wet. It'll extend the life of the shoe, which is awesome. So this model, marking the evolution of Salomon Sense Ride 3, becomes your perfect ally to tackle races in the mountains. The Ride 4 is capable of adapting to technical terrain, trails, grassy trails, and even works perfectly in mud. Also, we like the addition of the 3D Air Mesh, a more open net with faster drying, great for tough running sessions when we sweat extensively. In terms of reinforcement, the sneakers remain heat-sealed along the entire contour. The upper part retains more than enough width to be able to run comfortably for hours. The combination of various foams with consequent results in terms of dampening reactivity comfort is one of the reasons why we will not want to take off the Salomon Sense Ride 4, even when we have to run on asphalt. The OptiVibe system manages to absorb vibrations generated during running, up to 15% more than other options, which reduces muscle fatigue. On the outer side, both on the inside and outside, we find two profiled and embossed reinforcements that'll give us more stability and support. This way, the heel stays in place all the time. Thumbs up, highly recommended. Finally, we present you the Saucony Endorphin Speed 2, which quite rightly took the title of the best overall running shoes available on the market in 2022. Unlike the Endorphin Pro, the Speed series does not use a carbon plate. Instead, it features a full-length nylon plate that, combined with Saucony's PWR Run midsole cushioning technology, aims to offer a comfortable feeling of response underfoot. These sneakers are a great companion for running on the tracks, training for short and long distances. Saucony doesn't make big changes with Speed 2. Apart from keeping that combination of nylon plate and middle sole, the upper part has been improved to make things more comfortable and airy, although it has gained a little weight. Overall, it fits well. The sole delivers good traction underfoot and is the best at gripping the road and track. The pair still has a heel-to-toe drop of 8mm like the original Speed and the new Endorphin Pro 2, which is 35mm in the heel and 27.5mm in the front of the foot. Where Saucony made the changes is in the upper department. These sneakers are designed with a single mesh made from recycled materials for additional sustainability. It is designed to make things light and airy. One of the advantages of this mesh upper is that it feels quite spacious in the front of the toe box, which is welcome in what looks like a rather narrow shoe. The manufacturer also points out that non-slip shoelaces were used here to create that firm grip. The heel, collar, and tongue have a flexible texture that contributes to the overall comfortable and breathable upper. Below, you'll get the same sole like the first Speed model, with reinforced high abrasion zones designed to offer strong traction and durability. These zones are the most prominent on the front of the foot, where it extends even to the front of the toe box with a more exposed sole at the back. The combination of a full-length nylon plate and a midsole cushion creates a soft but satisfying feeling underfoot, which makes this shoe ideal for fast runs when you really nail it. The Saucony pad offers a nice bounce without feeling too aggressive, and the speed roll profile there is to push you forward and on your toes that's really noticeable. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, See you guys later.